In this video, I am going to show you how to earn referral bonuses on Olymp Trade. Step 1. Sign up for a real trading account on Olymp Trade and add funds to your account to qualify for the referral program. Olymp Trade will provide you with a unique referral code. Locate your referral code in your account settings or referral section. Share your code with friends and family by utilizing social media, email, and direct messaging to share your code. Encourage referrals to register using your code and make sure they enter your code correctly during registration. Once your referral signs up using your code, both of you receives bonus. Bonuses are credited to both you and your referral's account. Just note that only successful referrals result in bonuses for both you and your referrals. So bonuses are credited to you and your both referrals account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.